George, Tatemofolo Daniel. Bishop from the Diocese of Umtata, Bishop Temba, our former rector when we were still in the seminary. Yes, I divided here for Mankana, Kirana with the Pilua, Diocese with Mama, Monsignor Ibel Kabuza. Krista by Navy, Masikali Zala, Piteho, Yote, Eguan in Fano, Bakai Sudumela. Contact of Siniana, Janu, we humbly pass our gratitude firstly to our catechists, our small Christian communities, for the great work they have done by helping us to grow in faith. We thank our parish pastoral councils, present and previous, for accompanying us till this day. We thank our former and current parish priest who ensured that we realized this call of becoming priest and eventually took us to the seminary. The ordination committee to our spiritual directors, we say thank you very much for helping us to grow closer to the Lord when we were still in the seminary. We pass our gratitude to the seminary admin staff, library staff, and domestic staff. We also thank our seminary formators present here today for the great work they have done by forming us spiritually, pastorally, human, and academic. We thank our benefactors for the great concern they have shown us by taking care of us spiritually and materially. We would like to extend our gratitude to Ntatemofolo, George Daniel again, for agreeing to ordain us and also for accepting us in this Archdiocese to study for the priesthood. We thank you very much, Your Grace, for being there for us in sickness and in health. And indeed, when the tough gets going, when it was tough in the seminary, Archbishop George was not just an archbishop, Ntse, our father indeed. We thank again Archbishop Paul Mandakuma, who for a short time accompanied us towards the end of our formation and ordained us as deacons. We say Siyabonga. We shall remember you in our prayers. Baprista batlisitse gompieno ba rata go leboga basadi ba bona ba e sale ba ba tshepeditse le go ba godisetsa mo tumelong go simolola bonnyeng jwa rona le go fitlha gompieno jaana batsadi re a le rata re a le leboga. Fa go teng mmangwana o tshwara thipa ka fa bogaleng go tewa lona. The Stadium Hall Management for accepting us to host this prestigious event. We would like to thank the security personnel and our ushers for ensuring that we are safe. Modimo, brothers and sisters, people of God, pray for us that we remain strong in the sacrament of holy orders, which has been legitimately founded by Jesus Christ. Pray for us, and especially for our parents. And now, as you can see us, the four newly ordained priests wearing the same chasubles. And we have also, we decided to get something nice, you know, for the Archbishop to be like us. This is our gift from us.